let's go ahead and dive on into these prices, because as you can see, the market is pushing and we are rocking. And I told you guys, for you guys that have been following along and rocking with me, you guys already know that we called this and we said by the end of October, going into November, we are going to be on, pushing, pumping, and rocking. So we're going to be doing daily streams, scalp trading, and I have the multi-chain DEX with lending, where you can utilize coins for collateral and borrow. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do leverage trading and much, much more. And we're going to do revenue sharing, and I got a token launching. So anybody that wants to get and be part of the team, go ahead and get with me on Twitter, comment, DM, and then you can hit me in one of the chats projects I work for on Telegram. And it's going to be utilized for projects. We're going to do AMAs, host projects, and I'm going to do the reviews. We got the marketing and everything ready to go. I pushed an ETH project with a team. Not too bad. Utilizing low marketing funds. Had 150K first day volume. And then utilizing marketing funds for projects. So definitely bullish and awesome. We're back in it to win it. If you want to learn how to get a strong launch on your project, get with me and I can show you and teach your team for all of the positions that are needed and be structured. All right. Let's take a look at this market. Look at that $661 billion market cap on Bitcoin. When we were talking about it, it was 500 billion. We were saying, okay, we're going to see it coming close to that 1 trillion Bitcoin when we saw that pump, okay, back when the crypto market boom was happening, all right? And at that time, crypto was really fresh and new. Nobody knew about it, and we had massive volume inflowing into Bitcoin and crazy volume. There's been so much that's happening since then, so much learning, all right? We've been in this field since 2014 holding Bitcoin, and these past 3 years, we've worked for many projects, pumping and rocking for you guys out there. All right, pushing and chilling. I just love to give back to the community. And we're going to start up doing project videos again, all right? And we're going to be pushing a call channel. So if you guys want an AMA with Jay and you guys want to learn how to push your projects, do marketing at the right times, niche marketing and strategy. It's in the name, Jay's Strategies. All right, so if you come across me, this channel, you found a gem. I could teach you, show you how to run your teams, be a silent partner, and you could be the face to your own project and push it and rock it and utilize all of the skills that are needed. Bitcoin, $661 billion market cap. Bitcoin now at $33,733. It's up 9.3%. Ethereum, $214 billion market cap, $1,773. It's up 5%. USDT is now at $84.2 billion market cap. So it was sitting at that 83 and went down to 82. Now it's at 84. So it's showing us that there's stable coins on the sidelines ready to rock and push into the market. So we're going to pay attention to these stable coin market caps. All right. And then you could see, let's go ahead. BNB, $34 billion market cap, $224. 1.8% towards the upside. XRP, 29.6 billion market cap, 55 cents, 3.8 to the upside. USDC coin, $25.2 billion market cap. All right. And that's something that we're watching. We watched USDC move up in the ranks as we were going and growing. All right. Solana. All right. Now at $30.53, up 3.6%. Cardano at 27 cents, up 4.2%. Dogecoin, number 9 spot, sitting at 6 cents, up 3.1%. Tron back at your number 10 spot at 9 cents right now, up 1.4%. Toncoin still sitting there, grabbing those gains, and that's what we are paying attention to. It's $2.13, $7.3 billion market cap. All right. And then you got Matic moving back up in the ranks. All right, 5 billion, 62 cents, 3% to the upside. Link had some major gains, so it's kind of cooling off. You know, we're going to see that happening. Wrap Bitcoin, then DAI, your next stable coin. We're going to watch that as it's moving up in the market caps. Okay. And then we go down to truth me to believe, hey, what is going to be happening and going on with Binance BNB? Okay. Binance BNB is now up above that moving average on the daily, and we're going to go ahead. We're going to show you that what's happening. But we have some major moves happening in the market, and we have a lot of upside green movement. Okay, and then this is something that we really want to pay attention to, and we want to see what's going on and what's happening out there in the markets. All right. So we see our prices here. Look at that 33. So Bitcoin tapped at 35K. Let's go ahead, okay, and swing over. Okay, Telegram. All right. We have our charts, okay? Trading view. And we're going to pull up our charts here. So that way we can get them, just load it, depending, in the area that we're in. All right, so you can see right there, okay? All right, so this is on the daily. Okay, there we go. So Bitcoin on the daily is now above those moving averages. All right, so you can see the 50 and the 200. Okay, so those are the moving averages that we want to be watching and taking a look at. Let me just go ahead and see here. Let's see, drawing, eraser, magnet, drawing. Okay, so yeah, we can see those moving averages. All right, we can see that we actually had some upside movement, and we are above the 200, and the 50 is crossing back over the 800. So that's something that we want to be paying attention to. Okay. All right, I don't know why that's not letting me draw, but whatever. Okay, and that's on the daily. But let's go ahead and go down into the 1 hour time frame, so that way I can show you guys what the deal is right there in that 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, so we tapped that 35K. All right, we keep hitting the 50 moving averages. All right, on these lower time frames. The daily is now up and above, okay, the 200 and the 800, and we're on top of the 50. We are waiting for that break. Now we're just waiting for that retest. Now we have 32K, which is a strong zone that we're looking at, and you can see that's on the 50 EMA right there on that pink line. So that's something that we're going to pay attention to, okay? And this is on the 1 hour chart, all right? So we are at and above the daily open, okay? New York session, okay, and you can see the different boxes for the different sessions. Volatility, New York session did pull it back a bit, all right? So this is something that we're paying attention to. We're seeing some parabolic moves, and we want to see where it's going to top off, all right? So 35K is a major resistance area that we're looking at now on Bitcoin. Let's go ahead, all right, and go ahead into ETH. I'm going to show you, this is the 1 hour time frame. Ethereum did pump up to that 1,860 almost range, okay, and then you can see that we pulled back, coming back towards that moving averages, which is 1,740. That's something that we'll be paying attention to in the markets, all right? And then let's go ahead into the daily for Ethereum and see what we got going on there. Look, we are coming to that 800 EMA, okay, which is that $1,800. So if we close a daily candle on that, that would definitely be bullish. We are above the other moving averages, the 50 on the daily chart. Now, let's go ahead and talk about BNB. All right, let's go to BNB for you guys. BNB on the daily, $225. Okay, and you can see now we're finally above that 50 EMA. We've been fighting with that on the daily. All right, so that's something that's, we want to pay attention to. It is turned up. It's at 216. So expect a retrace to touch that 50 EMA at some point. We're at 225, so that's something we're going to pay attention to. We did go out up to $237 range, and then we pull back to where we are at now. Okay, and then that's on the overall longer time frame for the daily. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame and see what we have going on here on the 1 hour time frame. You can see we came back to that 50 EMA. We touched it. So are we going to continue to push and pull back above it, back to that 2? All right, guys, don't forget to follow all the socials, rocking with us, getting with us. Over on Twitter, over on Telegram, inside the groups. Mad love and respect. Until the next time, guys. To the moon.